Good morning, everybody. It's a Monday morning, and I don't know if you can see, but I've got Floyd, who's kind of just a wee speck in the distance there under the trees. There's something about having a walk in the park when you're kind of by yourself. It's lovely and peaceful. And you can actually see now the trees are starting, lots of them are starting to get really golden. It's so quiet and it's peaceful. I'm in Kelvin Grove Park. I'm not down beside the river. I'm really in amongst the trees. You can just see one of the towers of the art galleries, and then if I move slightly there, you can probably just see the university tower. And Floyd's running ahead. I think I'll need to keep an eye on where he is. Floyd! Come on! Oh, there he is. There he is. I've got the wee red light on his collar so that I know where he is. But it's still so peaceful. There's no rain, but the clouds are, well, it's quite a grey kind of sky today. But it's lovely. I'm enjoying my walks with Floyd. It's really nice. Oh, there's letting me know. Good morning, Floyd. Shh, shh, shh. Breaking the peace. Shh, 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 shh. Is it breaking the peace without barking? Goodness me. Shush. I'm saying it's lovely having the park to myself and it's all peaceful, and he's decided to bark. Now I'm just remember the statue up there. I think I've photographed that before. There's a bit of a breeze, but it's really nice. Morning, Debbie. Lovely to see you. Need to take care of yourself. I loved your picture this morning. I don't have that kind of sunrise or sunset here. Very cloudy. But it's really peaceful. Most of you will think I'm quite obsessed with trees, but they're so lovely, all the different colours. Just take a moment here, stand beside, just look at the bark of this tree. It's massive. I can hear some birds. Floyd here beside me, right here. There you are. And I hope it's a good start to the week. And just now we can see the tower of Glasgow University there, my alma mater, or mater. And there's a nice bench under the trees. I'm not sure, I don't think I'll stop and sit, but I'm just breathing slowly in through the nose. Hold, and then exhale through the mouth. And I'm just seeing, look at the red of the leaves of that tree through there. They've gone from golden to russet red. You can hear the distance. I think some of the park workers are out, maybe cutting the grass this morning. But I can still see some of the birds, hear them as well. And then that's the statue up there at a different angle. I'm kind of well down below it, so I've got to climb up this path in a wee while. That'll keep me in good fit, won't it? Are we going, Floyd? Going up the hill? Not sure if that sounds like something electric, but I think it's maybe they're cutting the grass. Are we going this way? We're going this way? Will we head towards the noise, or head away from it? Maybe away from it. Right. I'm going round and round in circles here. I think we'll head the other way. Go back to the peaceful. Go back to the come this way. Floyd, this way. What are we going to do this morning with the ABC? What's your affirmation this morning? I think some people are still overwhelmed. I think we need to say, I am calm, my mind is calm. Something like that. Just remember to make up your own. Because even if you're in the throes of something, and I know Debbie knows this and lots of other people, there's lots of negativity around, and I don't know, I took an old friend, she's in her late 80s, into the bank, and to be fair, the staff were really being helpful because their terminals had gone down, they only had one working, and the engineer was trying to resolve things. So there was a young lad going around asking people if he could help. And now I can't blame young people here for being impatient and rude. This gentleman, in fact I shouldn't really call him a gentleman because he was anything but a gentleman, he was really rude. The young lad said, "Can I help you?" And he immediately just jumped at him and said, "Why, do you have a problem with me standing here?" And I thought, oh goodness me. So I think the whole of the last 2 years, I know we started be kind to everybody, to be kind, and sometimes that just seems to have been forgotten now. So don't forget it. Be kind, first of all, be kind to yourself, and then be kind to others. And if there's negativity or things are being said that are upsetting you, I have my exercise called the balloon. Just put these people and their sayings into a balloon, a red balloon, well, any colour, but red's really good. Put them into that red balloon and just send that balloon off into the sky and just say, I let it go, I let it go. And then say, I am calm, I am calm. And then take a deep breath, 3 deep breaths. And then just imagine you being somewhere nice and peaceful and calm. You can maybe use this video if you can't get out just now. Just have a wee look. I'm trying not to talk throughout the whole video. It's difficult for me, as you know I love talking. But just look at the trees, the luscious green. So I'll head on my way just now, and I hope you've got a fabulous Tuesday. and I'll maybe join you later. So have a great day, and virtual hugs to everybody. Remember my trade tips: smile and laugh. They cost you nothing. Okay, bye for now.